Hello everyone, welcome to day number one of operating system lectures. In this specific lecture, we are going to study about what is an operating system. As the name suggests, about an operating system can be defined as the interface between the user and hardware, right? It is the most common definition that is given in books. What do you mean by interface? Interface is basically a mediator, right? So, for example, if I make user over here and whole hardware over here, hardware of computer, then operating system acts as an interface between them. We cannot communicate directly with the hardware, we cannot communicate directly with the resources of the hardware, so we need a medium over here, and that medium is called as operating system. And hardware primarily constitutes of three things over here. For example, first of all, it consists of your, I will draw it first. Okay, so it will consist of four components, and that four components is called as, the first one over here is memory, the second one is called as control unit, and here itself it's arithmetic logic unit itself. Okay, the input devices and the output devices. So this constitutes of hardware, and this control in the arithmetic logic unit comprised of CPU. It is combinedly called as CPU. Alright, the operating system can be defined as it is an interface between the user and hardware through which we can communicate with the hardware directly or indirectly. Okay, so yeah, this is the first definition of system. Now, talking further, what are the other definitions of operating system? Other definitions of OS. All right. The number one definition of OS that is given in books as well is it is a resource manager. See, computer has various resources. The operating system manages those resources. Okay, operating system manages those resources. That's why it's called a resource manager. The most prominent second definition is given in US. It is a basically what can I say? Resource manager. It's the first definition, and second is it's a control program. See, resource manager means it comprises mainly of the hardware and the software resources. Okay, so it comprises of the hardware and software resources and manages both. The second one is control program. So control program stands for that it is a program that controls the hardware. Program that controls the hardware. Operating system is defined as a program that controls hardware. All right. Thirdly, I can say that it is a set of utilities to simplify application development. Application development. All right. So basically, it means it provides a set of utilities through which we can simplify our application development. All right. So yeah, this is all about this lecture. In this particular lecture, we have studied about the definition of operating system. In the next video lecture, we will study about what is the functions and goals of operating system. So stay tuned with me for this topic. If you like this video, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button as well, so that it motivates me a lot and it keeps me going on with this journey. Okay. So yeah, thank you.